So we just met technically with attorney number 4, correct?
Correct.
Yes. And so scale of 1 to 10, how would you say it went? 10 being amazing and 0 being horrible.
I'd say 10.
Yeah, 10. Yeah, if we could go off the scale, we would go off the scale. So this gentleman, so he was just straight to the point. And we talked about everything being legal and ethical. And we talked about, he's like, look, man, you guys refer me business. I'm going to be more likely to refer you business. And I'm like, perfect. That is exactly what we're looking for. So we're going to keep everything legal and ethical. He might even be running for a judge position. Yeah, I'm not saying any names, so it's all good. He referred us so far to a financial planner that works with high net worth individuals. And he also referred us to another great attorney. It's in an area where we don't have any attorneys, so this is good. And I believe that attorney, I think he does family law and probate.
Our biggest takeaways is that the attorneys, they treat it like a business. If they're going to refer you business, they want you to refer them business as well.
That's literally what this last attorney said. He said, look, guys, you refer me business, I'm going to refer you business. No problem. I said, that's no problem. Again, we got the intro. He said that's the only reason he met with us, and he called the attorney who introduced us to validate that we did get the intro. Yes?
Correct.
Boom. We just sat down. We had a little bit of rapport building. He wants us to actually go shooting sometime. He wants us to take us out for a beer. So we built good rapport. And then we just said, hey, how can we add value? If we refer you clients, can you refer us clients?
That's right. Yeah, that's pretty much it. He's a businessman, and that's how business works.
You're starting to seem like an expert in there. You feeling more comfortable?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Okay. So we just met with attorney number 5, Cinco. Yes?
Yes.
Boom. Scale of 1 to 10, how'd it go? 10 being the best.
That went really well. I'd say,
9?
9.5.
Yeah. Now he was an attorney, but he was also a
mediator.
A mediator. So AJ, what did you learn about mediators today?
That they don't really represent the client, but that every client that is going through a divorce needs to go through a mediator if they have, assets that they need to split up.
In excess of, $500K and or well over 6 figures in income. Yes.
Exactly. So
ballpark.
And then there's not many mediators around, so that's it's a niche that practicing lawyers will get out of actually representing and just doing the mediation.
I think you said there were 4 or 5 in this market.
In all of 10th district. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So, there we go. Hey, he's sounding like an expert. My man. But AJ was like, I'm going to price it properly. We're going to get the property ready to show. He's like, I'll do whatever it takes to make sure the property's looking good. And then communication keeps coming up, right?
Yeah.
Like he said, look, dude, even if you don't want the deal, just call back. And we said, yes, we're bringing professionalism back to the business and real estate industry. So
exactly.
Awesome, man. So that's the 5th attorney in under 2 weeks. And we're 4 for 5, only 1 crab apple. And the name of the game so far has been like talking about, okay, cool. They want us to refer them business. One, just knowing somebody in common is great, but we're seeing this theme. Hey, refer us business, we're going to refer you back business. So I think that's the missing piece of the puzzle. You can reach out to us. We have 12 different ways that you can refer estate planning clients to attorneys or potential high net worth family law clients to high net worth family law or divorce attorneys, right? So that's going to be the one of the missing pieces of the puzzle, right? You need to be referring business and receiving business and keeping it ethical, legal. Everything we're talking about is above the table. Not talking about any kind of we want to keep it legal, ethical. Hold on.
Yep.
Biggest takeaway from attorney number 5, who's also a mediator.
My biggest takeaway is that we have to go get after some referral business. Find them some clients, so that we can start, getting some business.
Yes.
Pretty much.
Which we are working on, and if you want, reach out to us, and we will teach you how that you can find people that are great potential clients for estate planning attorneys and for high net worth family divorce attorneys. So again, Daniel Fleshman, Exponential Real Estate Results, Exponential Business Coaching, here with AJ Fernandez, Keller Williams in Central Florida. Remember, 1% improvement per day can literally get you exponential results. Are you ready to get exponential? Let's go.